Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a landscape poster in Canva. So here I've already opened the Canva mobile on my phone, and to easily create a landscape poster, you can just use template. So click on the search column and search for poster or landscape poster in this case. Click on enter. So here Canva will provide you with a bunch of templates that you can use. So for example, I'm going to use this poster right here. Click on the poster and the template will be open. So this is the default templates, but you can always make some changes. For example, you can change the title like this. For example, you can also change the background. For example, I'm going to just use a solid color background. Let's try, okay, like this. And you can also change the font if you want. For example, let's try this glacial interference. Okay, so there are lots of the design here that you can explore. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.